Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super delicious tropical punch. And so let's get into it. These are some of the ingredients that you need. So first I'm going to wash my fruits because I do have a lot of Karens that follow me. And well, over here is not a place for negativity. And I'm tired of blocking y'all. So make sure I'm washing my fruit with some vinegar and some water. I'm also going to add my fresh ginger down in here. The fresh ginger is for the drink, of course. I'm going to make a syrup. It's going to give it like that little spicy kick in the back of the drink, which is so good. And so this is the fruit, nice and clean. You want to set that to the side. All right, and now for the syrup in my little pot, I'm going to add some sugar. Remember, all ingredient measurements is in my description box. I'm also going to add some water down in here. Essentially, we're just making a syrup. We're making a ginger syrup, and you want to reduce this by half. Now, I usually do 1 and 1, but because I have to put the ginger down in here, I needed more water, and so I added some more water to it. And then now I'm going to add the entire 2 hands of ginger down in here. You want to bring it to a simmer, reduce by half, shut it off, remove the pieces, and you're good to go. This is everything nice and ready to go. I'm using a half a watermelon, and I'm going to actually blend it. And if you have a juicer or, chucks, y'all, I know y'all sick and tired of me calling y'all rich because it's not about being rich. The thing is, I don't have a huge kitchen. I don't have like tons and tons of equipment. I have a blender, I have a toaster, I have a slow cooker, just a couple things, you know what I'm saying? So you want to blend this and strain it just like I have it here. And these are the drinks that I'll be using. I'm using passion fruit and mango pineapple. You don't have to have the exact brand I have, but make sure you don't get the dollar stuff. At least move up to $3. So now I'm going to start building the drink. I'm going to add both the passion fruit and the pineapple mango down in here. I made another Jamaican punch. Is similar but not really the same thing. I also added my blended and strained watermelon juice, which gave it such a great pop and color. Like the color, look at the color. Like instead of using that processed stuff to color it, the watermelon worked perfectly fine. So now I'm going to add the ginger syrup down in here. I'm going to add the juice of the lemons and the oranges that I had as well. And you want to mix that up. Make sure you taste it before you start adding all the fruit down in here. Because, it's going to be funny. Just make sure you taste it. So now I'm going to add lots and lots of lemons, oranges. I had a pineapple. I chopped that up. Pineapple down in here. And y'all, look at this drink. Look at this drink. Now, it wasn't filled all the way to the top. So I'll use the last of the pineapple mango and filled it up, okay? And then I added more fruit on top. And look how beautiful this is. Like, who wouldn't want this at a gathering, a party, a get-together, which is where I was taking this to, a get-together. And it was just so refreshing. Obviously, we already know what's missing from it. Yes, if you want to add alcohol, you can. Because, child, this drink is so good, by the way. I hope you guys give it a try. If you do, tag me and let me know what you think. And I will catch you on my next video. Bye!